My name's Alexis Villa, and I'm here with.
Mr. Namey?
Okay, we're going to ask you some questions about what robotics is. Can you explain to us what ARM is?
Yes, A.R.M stands for Advanced Robotics and Mechatronics. So it's designed to teach kids about robotics, about advanced manufacturing, also known as Industry 4.0. So they get a lot of hands-on skills as well as technical knowledge as well.
Okay. How long have you been teaching in this program and why?
I've been teaching this program now, I want to say going on 5 years. I took over when it was brand new, and I enjoy it. I think the kids enjoy it because they're actually testing what they are learning. So there's a lot of hands-on things that they do, and they get to see the results right away. And it's a 3-year program. So one of the things I like about it is I get to see the same kids year after year. So I really get to know them by the time they get out of high school.
Okay. Can you explain to us what you needed to become a teacher for the program?
Well, I think a good background in either math or science, especially physics, would be very helpful. Personally, I came here to actually teach math, and this position opened up. I walked into the classroom and I fell in love with it. But to teach it full time, you do need what's called also a CTE credential, especially in the manufacturing and product design.
Okay. And what does a year look like in your classroom?
It changes. It's a lot. It's a 3-year program, but let's just talk about the first year, since this is what most students will probably take. They'll learn a lot of what we call Industry 4.0 skills, from hand tools, from AC/DC electrical to pneumatics to robot programming, sensors, how to read print readings. So basically setting them up to maybe become a technician somewhere. And then now in the second semester, they build a catapult. They get to test it, and then they build a rover that they get to program to drive by itself and avoid obstacles, and then they do a big challenge at the end of the year. That's a lot of fun.
Okay. And lastly, can you tell us about the competition coming up and what would happen if you win?
Yeah, so we have what's called Skills USA, which is a big CTSO in not just California, but the whole US and worldwide. And we compete in different competitions. A couple of them are in leadership. The 2 big ones that we are really in, one is driving the rover through the challenge course, and then the other one is operating a robot, an actual arm. If kids make it to or win the regional, if they finish in the top 4, they get to go to state. And state is held in April in Ontario. If we win state, you have to finish first place. We get to go to nationals in Atlanta in June.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right.
Hi, my name is Crystal Zavala. I'm here with
Diego Chavarria.
Can you explain what ARM is?
ARM stands for Advanced Mechatronics and Robotics. Advanced Robotics and Mechatronics. Robotics refers to the actual robots. You have 3 models inside where you can learn to teach them and control them so that it can do multiple different tasks over and over again. Mechatronics refers to different systems such as hydraulic or electric or pneumatic.
We know you have a competition coming up. Can you tell us about it?
The Skills USA competition is coming up, correct? There are multiple different competitions within that one. There's one where you build a car and you test it. The one I'm in is where I control a small robot to do a task of moving parts to a conveyor. There's a drone one and multiple others, but I don't have them memorized.
What courses does this class give to you for your future?
Here's a future. What this class really provides is multiple certificates. Many of them you can actually get a job with the certificates alone. The job can pay as little as minimum wage, but can go over $80,000 a year.
Okay, thank you.